From Wondery Kids Wow in the World.
Don't worry, Tiny Dino.
We're coming to save you!
Excavate mini dinosaurs with Wondery Kids Wow in the World Dino Dig Diorama. This prehistoric STEM kit comes with 10 dino eggs, each hiding a unique dinosaur figurine. Submerge the eggs in water to soften the plaster. Then use the included rock hammer and chisel to unearth your little dinos. Once you've collected all the dinosaurs, assemble the cardboard diorama and set up your own dinosaur museum exhibit. Scan the QR code in the guide to access exclusive Wow Facts from Wow in the World podcast hosts Guy Raz and Mindy Thomas.
Not all dinosaurs lived at the same time. In fact, the Tyrannosaurus rex lived closer to us modern humans in time than it did to the Stegosaurus.
Become a junior paleontologist with Wondery Kids Wow in the World Dino Dig Diorama for curious kids ages 4 and up.
From Wondery Kids
and Thames and Cosmos.